You know that feeling when your hair just breathes again? Light, fresh, and alive? That's what nature does best. And lately, something as simple as a golden spice, turmeric, is quietly transforming how we care for our hair. For so long, we've reached for bottles, filled with ingredients we can't pronounce, hoping for shine, softness, or strength. But what if the secret wasn't inside a factory? It was in your kitchen. Imagine crafting your own shampoo bar, one that feels good, smells divine, and knows exactly what your scalp needs. With turmeric, every bar becomes more than a cleanser. It's care in its purest form. There's the deep cleansing bar, infused with apple cider vinegar and jojoba beads to balance oil and bring back that scalp freshness. The conditioning bar, rich with neem, fenugreek, and amla, a comforting blend that makes hair silky and alive. And for those with dry, sensitive scalps, the moisture bar, where tallow, coconut, and turmeric oil melt together to restore softness and calm. Each one, made by you, tells a story of slowing down, choosing better, and letting your hair thrive without harsh chemicals. This isn't just DIY, it's reclaiming confidence. It's rediscovering what natural beauty feels like when your scalp and spirit finally breathe. And that warm glow, it's not just your hair, it's turmeric's quiet magic, working in harmony with you. Because real beauty doesn't begin in a bottle, it begins in how you care for yourself. Discover the golden touch of turmeric with AMVital, nature's wisdom bottled by you. Smile. Your hair story starts here. Want more stories that connect skin, nature, and self-care? Hit subscribe and let's keep glowing together.